In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your DNS settings using Cloudflare. Whether you're setting up a new website, adjusting your existing domain, or simply learning the ropes of DNS management, this guide will walk you through the basic steps you need to get started with ease. Before we dive in, it's important to have your Cloudflare account set up and your domain added to it. If you haven't done this yet, I recommend pausing the video, setting up your account, and then coming back to following along. First, we're heading to Cloudflare's website. Simply open your web browser and type in cloudflare.com. Once there, log into your account if you're not already, and you'll be greeted with your Cloudflare dashboard. This dashboard is central to managing everything related to your domains with Cloudflare, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with it. On this page, you will see a list of all the domains associated with your Cloudflare account. Locate the domain that you're intending to work with today. After selecting your domain, navigate towards the DNS tab, which might also be labeled as simply DNS in your interface. This is where all the essential DNS management takes place. Here you will find a comprehensive list of DNS records associated with your domain. These records include various types like AAA, CNAME, and others, each serving a specific purpose related to directing traffic for your website. Now let's move on to the step where we click on Records. This section plays a vital role in maintaining your domain's functionality. It allows you to view existing DNS records, add new entries, or edit current settings. Once you've clicked Records, we are focusing on the ability to back up your DNS records. This is a best practice to ensure that if any changes make your website inaccessible or affect traffic, you can restore the previous settings without hassle. To back up your DNS records, you'll want to look for the Import and Export option. This is typically found within the DNS management area. Click on Import and Export and then opt for Export. By selecting Export, Cloudflare will generate a downloadable file containing all your current DNS records. It's like creating a snapshot of your current configuration, which can be a real lifesaver if anything ever goes wrong or significant changes are needed. And there you have it, all done. By following these steps, you now have a backup of your DNS records saved securely on your computer. This simple precaution can save countless hours of troubleshooting in the event of accidental changes or technical issues. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has made the process straightforward and manageable. Remember, if any of the steps feel overwhelming or if you encounter anything unexpected, don't hesitate to pause the video and revisit the section you need help with. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy managing.